Day 3. Tris in Puerto Rico. We about to go to San Juan. Sport of time. Get this burger. About to yeah, get some pictures, eat some good food, you know, the usual dude.
Day 3, the usual.
I swear. So we about to tour these sports. It's hot as
oh my god.
I'm in this bitch sweating. We just stepped out the wood. Already sweat.
I'm gonna have to put my hair up in this one.
Yeah, dreads was not the move. Hair too long for this. Niggas can't even get out of the parking garage. That shit look fun as hell, I ain't gonna lie. He should have ollied that though.
Here's the exit, that's right here. You can go out the front though.
It's so hot. It's honestly hot is an understatement. But shit. We about to go to, what's it called? El Morro? Yeah. El Morro. It's a fort. It's big as hell. Hella views in here. I want to go back to the beach though, I ain't gonna lie. I want to swim.
Okay. Okay, never mind.
Bro. Oh, I forgot our Brungo water. Let's see what these views is hitting up, man. Okay, it's not that hot. The wind kind of hitting a little bit. Just a little bit. Like, bro, I'm really out here right now. That shit crazy to me. It's a tad windy. Just a little bit. Oh, good ollie, boy. Let's see. What's up, Tarnum?
It's so hot. We're trying to get these tricks on, I guess, while we wait for Pops. Touring San Juan. Ooh, please shove it.
Otra vez.
Ooh. Oh yeah, you got that down.
Bro.
How am I this hot going down?
In the shade too.
Where's that place with the umbrella?
Where's that place with the water?
Where's that place with the phone and air
Where all umbrellas cover the top.
For real? Necesito agua. Yes.
car.
Gracias. Oh, I'm about to be speaking Spanish when I go back, I swear. It's bad. We continuing our walk. We just stopped in a souvenir shop. I caught this necklace. The native sun. That's how the native people, the Taino, drew the sun. So I got this. My people are Native American in my ancestry tree, so I had to get one.
It's in there. Go in there.
Oh my gosh.
We going in the drink?
I'll just stand here. You feel this air? Yes.
I'm about to get the Cartier Buffies. That air is busting though.
Where'd it go though?
I swear, they're blocking it.
Okay, whoever isn't feeling this verdict, let's just stand over here and enjoy the air.
For my cousin, man, about to bust his ass, watch. I almost called it. Oh, snap. I'm straight on it. I'm straight on it. I'm so straight on it. I am so straight on it.
Hold on, take a picture.
Good. Try.
I don't know.
Oh, you.
Oh! I swear to God. Oh! Oh, that boy just landed.
David, they received the people here. You see, they don't hurt people. They only like to.
Yeah, I got you. I notice when I vlog, I repeat myself a lot.
Ooh, what if I got one of those now, bro?
Straight with the flag, bro. Give y'all some first person shots. It's beautiful out here, bro. The architecture is beautiful. Ooh, that air feels so good. Bro said he about to ollie the stair. The little one stair. Big cuz already did it. This little bro turned up. I'm not sweet enough yet, honestly.
I didn't even get ready.
Start practicing. What up, though? Hey. Man, you feel me?
Ya tú sabes.
Tranquilo. We just chilling though. Enjoying the beach. You can't even really see for real. Nighttime little drink session.
Hey, how do I even... Hold on, I don't need that flashlight. How do I open this?
Okay.
Oh,
You
I
gotta
gotta
tear
shake
this. Shake it, then tear this side, and you stick this straw in. I do not condone drinking. Disclaimer.
Neither do I.
Disclaimer.
Neither do I.
Bro. It feels so good. It's beautiful out here, bro. It's crazy, man. Let's see what bro's on. Oh, you needed this. Oh.
Oh, you got a flash?
I don't have my shoes. Ouch. Swear.
Bring the flashlight. Put it at the dead crab. Someone broke it in half.
A dead what?
They broke it.
What is it?
That nigga broke that shit.
I can't go out there. I need my shoes. Wait.
I'll just take your flashlight.
Man, I'm scared. I'm black. We not used to this type of stuff.
Just watch out for sea.
I'm watching out for sea urchins and crabs. There's a lot of crabs over here. We've been over here. Woo! Them waves getting close to the mud, bro.
I just want to stand over here where it's safe.
Dog. Me and the moon relate. The whole team, 90 cannons a call cause I'm balling. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas salty. Bro, I'm having the time of my life right now. I can't even lie. I'm a little lit for sure. You tired? From that little run, that little jog? Oh yeah, y'all ain't saying.
I'm out of shape.
Y'all ain't saying.
This ain't Snapchat.
Hey, got little diamonds on me, look like lemonade. Got my new mama, that new Bentayga. Bro, I'm lit. I'm too lit. This is amazing. Y'all can't even see. Funny as hell, forgive me. Look where he at, bro. Busting, bro. The sun is busting. The air from the ocean is busting. Man. That's a lot to take in, honestly. At the beach, bro. I just ate some shrimp tacos. They was fucking amazing, bro. Really?
I want to hit like in the middle.
I mean, shit. You think it's possible?
I gotta hit with my butt though.
He really just jumped down that big time bed. You about to do it again? Bro, really what I wanted to talk about was... Man, fuck you.
Alright. That was perfect, bro. Let's go. Now. Oh. Go, go, go. That was perfect, bro. Let's go.
I got 3 hours of video. It's the last day in Puerto Rico, man. We at Crash Boat once again.
It's your last day. Yeah, go ahead.
Suck my fucking dick. It's the last day in Puerto Rico. We at Crash Boat again, about to be jumping off the pier and stuff. I got 3 hours of recording. I'm probably gonna record the whole time and just see what happens.
I don't even want one.
I hate this shit.
First person. Ooh. Hey, hit me with a pass. Oh. Oh yeah, for sure.
I'm literally stepping on all kinds of props.
I can see him. Woo! Oh, I threw that too far. I got water in my eyes.
You're like, I can see those people in.
Oh.
I can see all the way
You already know. At our favorite spot, the pier.
Waiting on y'all. y'all gonna jump off over here?
Not all the way straight.
Why?
Jump this way. Because I tried to go that way one time and I almost died.
Where's the car?
He better jump first.
Girls better watch out for that glass, man.
I swear they not looking.
Right, you feel me? Like,
bro, these bites is burning, like actually burning right now.
What?
The bug bites.
the saltwater good for them, though.
I don't have it like you guys. I don't want all that.
They must have been attracted to the boys, bro. I'm telling you.
You see, you said,
You got bit up too. I'm looking at them.
where? That ain't no bite.
Right here, right here, right there.
No, it's feel that shit.
Guess we're jumping.
No, hell no. It's the same. It's the same. No, the distance is from back.
Okay, go ahead, jump, Dad. Go ahead. Don't hit the bottom. You don't know how
I'm taking this boy up and jumping. What are they facing?
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. No,
I can jump with you.
like a big girl.
We about to jump.
Me and my uncle about to jump.
Get that boy on. In the storm, baby. We about to give lights to Aquaman. I gotta jump here and swim all the way back there.
Unless you want to take the ladder.
The fuck?
I ain't taking that ladder.
All the way back.
Yeah.
All right. Elena. Vamos. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
1, 2,
Bless you.
To me all occasion. Labels wanna fly me out for negotiation. My mama say, son, get help, she think I'm crazy. I ain't crazy, I just don't let niggas play me. My bitch want a purse, mama want a vacation. Tell my buyer, think about that shit when he pay me. If I told you you got it, nigga, I think you can make it. I don't really listen to these niggas, they be faking. I really should be scared of the dark, I see faces. If niggas playing, I put a social to your baby. Down below, Bennett has you in the pavement. I find my own sauce stain, wanna feed your baby. That's the 5th label this week, I need an agent. She like smooth, can we please fuck before you make it? 2,000 on the fit, this is no special occasion. 10 model bitches ready, then my bitch to act crazy. My lifestyle changing, I get one without an agent. Even off this lean, nigga, I never be lazy. I ain't even fuck her, why the fuck she acting crazy? I wish I would hit, she gon' try to have my baby. You ain't in the field, you don't know what I be saying. Punch 10 watchers, I won't sleep until they laying. These